All right, this is Coach Bayonle Arashi. We are here today at the Southwest Public School at the campus for visual and performing arts to teach the boys and girls about soccer. We're bringing our message to this side of town. Okay, come with us. Let's see. I'm gonna need this. Hello.
First and kinder.
Hello. Hi. How are you? Come on now. Good to see you. You're good? Yeah. How many people love soccer here? How many of us love soccer? Raise your hands up if you love soccer. Okay, so this is what we're going to do. Alright? There's going to be a full question. And the fans do I have here? Raise your hand up if you love soccer. If you love soccer, raise your hands up. Okay. Each person will tell 8, 9, 10. We have one more set. One more at a time. When I say go, you're gonna go, okay? Well, this is what you're gonna do. You're gonna take your ball like this, and you're gonna dribble. Look, watch me. You're gonna go around the goal, go around the goal, and then you go. You see that? You understand it? Okay. All right, now one at a time, right? All right, you, let's go.
Score. Good. Get your ball. Very good. Go and score.
Don't want to juice you. Keep going. Try. Good.
Very good. Get your ball. Keep going. Go. Go score. Very good. Skip. There you go. Keep going. Go to the goal and score. Good job. Good. Very good. Follow it to the goal. Score.
Good job. Let's move. No pushing. Keep playing. Make sure you play. Away. Outside. Good.
Be careful. Keep going. Good. Yellow, let's go. Uh-oh.
Bring it up here. Bring it up. Easy. Forward.
Good.
You, okay? She's gonna pass the ball to you. All right, let's go. There you go.
Good.
What's up? Guys, I want everybody right here. How you guys guys doing today? Oh, you already showing me skills. You already showing me skills. Come on, let's go. Let's go. Hold on. Nobody plays yet. We don't play yet. Let's go. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Finally, one more thing. One more thing. We're gonna go down. Let's go down. We're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Around this cone, right? Go loop around the cone. Loop around the cone. Control it. Control. Loop around the cone. Loop around the cone. Right? Each person, every time you play, you go back in line. Okay? Good. Very good. Very good. Good job. Now you just go. Good. I like it. Good job. Get it ball. Get it ball. Get it ball. Next person. Let's go. Good. Good. Let's go. Let's go. Loop around the cone. Around the cone. Take your time. Take your time. Control it. No hands. Use your feet only. Only your feet. All right? Good. Good. Right? Good job. Very good. You go. Let's go. Let's go. Try.
Good. Yeah.
Try. Try. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. Hold on. Oh, slowly. There you go. Slowly. Cruise control. Good. Very good. I like it. Finish. Good effort right there. That's what I'm talking about. Try. Take your time. Take your time to go through the cone. Take your time. Come on, boss. We're not going to finish this half. Take your time. Keep going. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. Go. Good job. Right, let's go. You gotta pass. You gotta pass the ball. Good. Pass the ball. You gotta pass the ball. Good. Keep playing. Let's say go. Keep playing. Yeah. Play the ball. No. Every time you throw soccer ball with one hand, it's 2. Behind your head, you don't jump, you put it down. Yeah, it's soccer, right? You do this, behind your head, and you throw it to your teammate, like this, right? All right, you ready? No, throw it again.
Good.
That's okay. Bring it down. Yeah. Good. Bring it down. You can't play alone. All right, play again. We'll start from there again. Start from there.
Oh, get ready. Good job. Yep. Good. Good.
All right, that's about it for today. Right here, it's been a very interesting session with the kids here at the Southwest School at the Visual Art and Performing Campus. I really had fun with the K5 students and the teenagers. This is what we do at Midas, really bringing the game of football, the beautiful game of soccer, to schools. And from time to time, you keep seeing us in the next campus possible. And if you want us out there to come and work with your organization, reach out to us on our website, midasfa.org, or send an email. We'll be looking forward to partner with you and partnering with many other schools in Fort Bend County and beyond. It's been my pleasure. My name again is Bayonle Arashi. Thank you for watching.